Oh my, this was not running. Okay, thank you for taking the time to listen to this. Approximately 3 weeks ago, I got my first bottle of Outback Pain Relief. I have a chronic back pain for the last 3.5 years. I've had my knee replaced. I am loaded with arthritis. My hands usually sit somewhere around a half moon shape. Since I've been using the Outback, I feel it. I feel it. I'm not going to lie. I do feel the tingling from the arthritis, but that is as straight as I've had my hands in the last 2.5 years from that position. I can tell you that the item I was pouring it on, but I've come to find that you don't have to. Basically, if you just do the one roll application and rub it in, as they suggest, it works just as good as trying to pour a whole bottle on your body and make it work. I went from 3 hours sleep a night to approximately a 7 hour sleep before I would want to take any kind of medication or reapplicate the Outback. So, from my perspective, the thing is pretty much saving my life right now. I went to reorder. I guess everybody is finding out that this is such a good product. They're on back order. So I'm glad that I did take 2 orders at one time, and I'm hoping to see the new one come back online so I can order before I run out. Thank you, Outback.